how you can create click button inner shadow effect in Figma. So all you're gonna have to do is to just press T on your keyboard and we're gonna create some button. Now make sure to right click it and create component. Now on the right, select the filament of your button. I want to add some padding. Make sure you are in auto layout this section and just grab your button, the button sides, and also add some corners. Radius is in appearance. I'm gonna add some. So this is my button. You can customize it like you want. Now you want to click on our button and in right upper corner area here, click on this little icon to add variant. This is our second variant. I'm gonna rename this to make it more clear. And now we want to add some effects. So click on this first one and scroll down and go to effects, click on plus, and by default it's on drop shadow. So as you can see, there is a shadow. You can make it more visible. You can do it also on this second one, but we also want the inner shadow effect to our click button. So again, click button and go down, go to effects, click plus and change this drop shadow to inner shadow. So it's gonna be visible like this. If you don't like the drop shadow, you can just remove it here. So click on your button and in the right upper corner area, go to prototype. This little plus on the right gonna be visible. Grab it and point it to your click button. And now we want to change trigger while pressing. So it's gonna be visible only if we hold that click button on our mouse. And action change to variant 2 animation instant. Now you can close this. And now it says while pressing, it's gonna change the visual. Now go on the left to assets and grab your button and place it here and click on play in right upper corner area. Wait until it's loaded and we're gonna try it. This is our button, and if we click that and I'm holding the click button, this is the visual. If I release my mouse, this is gonna be back to button appearance. So do it like you want. You can simply customize it. You can also add some hover buttons, appearance, etc. So if you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.